Unplug this. A little tricky. Then there's 10 millimeters, right? I can just lift this up. Does this just slide up? Okay. And there's 4. These look like they might be 3/8. Yeah, those are 3/8. You don't need to take these all the way out because it just captures it. So you just need to loosen them up, clear the washers. Yep. There's one here. Oops. Here. 4, 5, 6.
So one on each corner and one on each side.
Yep. One here. Okay. It should just. Get stuck on here. Much better. Now we're down to, this is a 3/8, I do believe. Yes, indeedy.
At this point, it's just removing those bolts to get it out of there.
Yep. Okay. And you only need to take out one. This is just captured with little ears.
Okay, I see.
I always put hardware back if I'm going to be removing things. All right, so this wire goes to the battery, the fuse, and then the battery. This is what charges the battery. And then these yellow wires have a plug on them. And they go to the alternator under the flywheel. So you just unplug it. Like that. Poof. And remove and replace.